In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to enable or turn on sleep mode on your HP laptop, tablet, or desktop computer if perhaps it's been inadvertently turned off or it's not working properly. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process, guys, on how to get your computer to go back into sleep mode. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all you have to do is open up the search menu and you want to search for settings. Best result, you come back with settings. Go ahead and open that up. You want to select System on the left panel, and then on the right side, go down and select Power. Select the item that says Screen and Sleep Timeouts, and then where it says Plugged In, where it says Make My Device Sleep After, click the drop down and select anything other than Never. So if it's set to Never, your computer's never going to go into sleep mode. And you can do the same thing for turning your screen off after duration as well, by clicking that drop down and making the appropriate selection. Do the same thing for the battery option if you're connected to a laptop or tablet device, and that's pretty much it. So as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope that was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.